Hi everybody, Merry December. It's a blizzard out there. Look at all my junk. Some of that is Christmas stuff. I'm going to be sending you. Now let's take a look outside. Ready? Oh boy. The snow is all the way piled up to my door. Oh, it's amazing. Wow, you can see the marks from my door. Right there. Oh, the snow's blowing in. Let's take a look out here. Hi, Crashy. What? Holy moly. It's beautiful. Woo-hoo-hoo! I love you, Mother Nature. There's the picnic table we're going to be having picnics on next summer. It's hard to believe that that's just going to happen because it's so cold right now, but it's going to happen. Look at this. Daddy's grabbing snow right outside his door. Oh, that's cold on Daddy's fingers. Well, I just thought you'd like to see that. Alright, I'll put this on YouTube and send you the link. What's that? I hear a machine. A helicopter? Uh-oh. Well, anyway, I'll send you this by YouTube, and I'll talk to you later, I hope. I love you with all my daddy might. Bye-bye.